If you're a Marc Marquez fan, be prepared for a very boring Portugal Grand Prix. If you haven't heard, he has a light concussion, so he is going to be out for the race because, well, he crashed. If you don't know, most MotoGP or like big bike races like that, they don't train on the big bikes. They train on dirt bikes, motocross, kind of stuff like that. And he had a little crash in one of his training sessions last, I think it tells me somewhere. Whatever, doesn't matter. He crashed and he had a little bit of apparently a bump to the noggin. So Stefan Bradl, the HRC test rider, who does all the testing for new parts and bikes, upgrades and all that kind of stuff, he'll be doing it for this weekend. Yeah, that's it. I mean, not like he was in the points anyways, and obviously the championship's already been decided, so that doesn't matter here nor there either too. But yeah, if you're a Marc Marquez fan, you know, it is what it is. You know, he's gonna have the week off, and yeah, that's the news. That's my news, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.